Today is Thursday, November the 22nd, fourth hike in Hong Kong. I'm at Tan Chung, the parking lot. I just found the trailhead to where I want to go today is called Tai Tun. It's about 5 kilometers to the summit, just over 300-meter gain. Weather is not too bad today, and should be able to finish this one in 2.5 hours. So here we go. That must be the summit. It's still a bit wet, but not as bad as yesterday. This is a huge step here. Why is it so big? You can hear the people yelling. That's because there's a school down at the bottom where I started. They're having a, I don't know what kind of a game day or track and field day. They're playing games. That's why they're yelling and screaming. Let's see. I don't know. I think yesterday, I don't even know where I was yesterday. I thought it's over on that side there, but maybe not. Yeah, okay. Hai Chung Bay, the peak is straight ahead of me. So I'm in that direction. This trail is just straight up and with vegetation on both sides. Good thing I don't have to bushwhack. The trail is very clear, but there's no leveling at all. Well, 52 minutes. Oh wow, that's a nice view. To arrive. It's only 1.11 kilometer, but 300-meter gain. This is what it's known in the local here, the Thousand Island of Sai Kung. That must be Sai Kung, where I started the bus ride to Tan Chung. All the way down here, Tan Chung is down there, and I can see the what do you call the reservoir, which I will come next week sometime to look at the UNESCO's site. All those hexagons, rock formation. I'm gonna take a long break here because going down is gonna be slippery. I'm not sure you can see at the very distant there, this sharp peak. Nathan and I made it up to a sharp peak there one year. And on the other direction, the saddle-looking mountain is called Ma On Shan, meaning the saddle mountain. Python has been spotted in this area. Didn't say what date. All right, I'll press on. I didn't go back the way I came up, so instead of doing out and back, I'm doing the loop. And this coming down is less steep, but have to do a bit of a bushwhacking through some dense vegetation and slipped. And because the ground is still wet for some reason. So yeah, you can see a lot of moss, and this yellow stuff sometimes can be very slippery. Well, I think it's about 1:15. I estimated maybe another half an hour should be back at the bus stop. This part is quite pleasant, but not when I was coming down from the summit. Sometimes I can't even find the road or the path.